Hi students of class 1, good morning. Welcome to your EVS class. Class 1, do you remember what we learned in the last class? We learned chapter 5, our food. In that chapter, we covered the topic food for different ages, values and life skills, points to remember in page number 31, and we learned words to learn and the exercise we have done after our class in page number 32. Okay, now please all of you take your EVS book, page number 32. We are going to see the second exercise B. Okay class, did you all take your EVS book page number 32? Yes. Now we are going to do the exercise B. Choose the correct answer. First one, we eat food to, first one play, second one work, the third one grow, and the fourth one do all of these. So the options are given A, B, C, D. So we eat food for what? To play, to work and grow. So the answer is do all of this. So what shall we do? We will make circle in D. This is the correct answer. So now come to the second one. The second one is, which of these is the first meal of the day? So they have given option A, B, C and D. We have learnt we eat how many meals in a day. Now we are going to see what are they. The A, they have given breakfast, B, lunch, C, dinner, and the D, none of these. So which is the correct answer? We eat first meal as is the breakfast. Okay, breakfast is the correct answer. What we will do? The A may make the circle. Third one, which of the following foods should we eat? Should we have? So which of the following food should we have is the third one. In A, milk and milk products, B, fruits and vegetables, C, rice and wheat, fourth one, all of these. So we eat the food, milk and milk products, fruits and vegetables, also rice and water. So what is the correct answer? All of these. D is the correct answer. Okay children, now we will see the fourth one. Which of these is the milk product? Option A, egg, option B may orange, option C may paneer, option D may potato. So which is milk product? Not egg, not orange, not potato. What is the milk product is? Paneer. So paneer is the correct answer. We will make the circle. See the fifth one. What kind of food should we eat? What kind of food should we eat? They have given option. First one, well cooked, fresh. So option C may clean, option D may all of these. So we should eat the food well cooked, fresh and clean. So the correct answer is all of these. So please make the goal. Okay children, now we saw the exercise B. Choose the correct answer. Now we are going to see the exercise C. Answer the following questions. First one, why do we need food? Why do we need food? So now we'll see what is the answer. Look at the answer. In C, answer the following question may. Why do we need food? We all need food to live. So this is the correct answer. Please all of you take your class work copy and write down the question and the answer. Okay, now we'll see the second question. The second question is what are the different meals that we eat during the day? We learned we eat many meals in a day. We'll see what are they. See here the second question. What are the different meals that we eat during the day? They are, first one, breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, we eat 3 meals. So we will write the different meals that we eat during the day are breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, this is second question answer. Write down in your classwork copy. Then third one. Look at the third one. Name any 3 milk products. So we have learned some milk product. We have to write down in a classwork copy. See here, what are the milk products? We have learned first ghee, cheese and butter. These are milk products. Okay, these are the 3 question and answer we have learned. So children, I will send this question and answer in the Telegram. Please do write it in your classwork copy. And children, I also given this do and learn first one as a homework. I hope you have all done. So for today's homework, it is the second one and third one. It is more or less similar one. So what we are going to do, you will, the third one, more or less one and the second and third are same questions. So I would like you to do the second one. Okay, we can choose this second one. You can choose this following food. In a group it is given, though you are not in a group in the school, so you will do individually in your house. Write down the food from the plants that we get. The food that we get from the plants and food that we get from animals and also food that we get from milk as a milk product. Okay, it is the same question here, the healthy food that we get from animal and plants, but here it is the milk product. So I am asking you to do the second one as your homework, and I will send you in the Telegram in a detail. Okay children, we end our class here. Okay children, please do read the chapter, learn the word meaning, the points to remember, and the exercise match the following, choose the correct answer. Okay, the match the following is here. Do learn and do it in your book, and the choose the correct answer B, and C, answer the following question, and your homework the exercise 2. Okay children, in this we end our class here. Wish you all the best. Please do well and complete the exercises. Wish you all the best. Bye.